Hello student, good morning. Welcome to online classes. I am Lakshmi Miss here. Students, today I am going to teach you grammar subject for the class 3. In the last lecture what you have seen, did you remember? We have seen this topic, that is countable noun and uncountable noun. In this lecture we are going to see the new topic, that is topic number 5, content number 5, alphabetical order. What we are going to see in this lecture or in this class, we are going to see the alphabetical order. Before we will start the topic, do you know students what is meant by the alphabetical order? Alphabetical order we have learned from the second standard. Did you remember children, in second standard also we have one unit of the alphabetical order, and this year also we have a unit of alphabetical order, but it is a little different than we have studied in last years. Look at here students, what is meant by alphabetical order? Alphabetical order, it means we have to arrange the word in according to the alphabetical letters. What is meant by alphabetical order? We have to arrange the words in the alphabetical order. Or do you know children, alphabetical order is also called A B C order. What we call A B C order. What is given here we will see. Alphabetical order or ABC order is the order in which words are arranged according to the letters of the alphabet. ABC order or alphabetical order is the order. Order, it means, do you know students, it's a series. Order, it means in Marathi we can say क्रम. शब्दांचा जो क्रम असतो, वर्डचा काय आहे, क्रम आहे, तो कसा असतो, आर अरेंज्ड अकॉर्डिंग टू द लेटर्स ऑफ द अल्फाबेट. म्हणजे अल्फाबेटमध्ये जसे लेटर्स असतात ऑर्डरने, सिरीजने. आता ए नंतर काय येतो अल्फाबेटमध्ये, बी येतो, हो ना. आपण ए नंतर सी घेतो का किंवा झेड घेतो का, नाही. काय येतं, ऑर्डर क्रमाने काय येतं, ए नंतर बी येतो, बी नंतर सी येतो, सी नंतर डी येतो, डी नंतर ई येतो. अशा पद्धतीनं झेडपर्यंत आपण ABCD म्हणतो, हो ना. त्याच पद्धतीत आपल्याला जे काही शब्द दिलेले असतात ते शब्द आपल्याला काय करायचेत, या क्रमाने लावायचेत. ABCDच्या क्रमाने आपल्याला काय करायचे आहेत, ते लावायचे आहेत. समजले तुम्हाला? त्याला आपण काय म्हणतो, अल्फाबेटिकल ऑर्डर. दिलेले जे वर्ड्स असतात ते वर्ड्स आपल्याला काय करायचे आहेत, अल्फाबेटिकल लेटर्स प्रमाणे काय करायचे आहेत, अरेंज करायचे आहेत. अल्फाबेटिकली जे लेटर्स असतात त्या लेटर्स प्रमाणे आपल्याला ते अरेंज करायचे आहेत, क्रमाने लावायचे आहेत. बघा, सो यू हॅव अंडरस्टँड स्टुडंट्स what we have to do. ABC order, alphabetical order, it means the words are arranged according to the letters of the alphabet. So we will see the example. Look at here, here is a solved example given words. Look at here, here is given the some names of girls. First is Neeta, second one Priya, Jane, Salma, Harpreet, Freni. Look at here students, here is given 5 name of girls, and you can see in this picture, you can see in your textbook. Look at here, here is a one first letter is given in a red color. Which color? In a red color. You can easily saw it. Look at here, it is given in a red color. So what is this? This is you should arranged in the ABC order. So it's given in a red color, so it's highlighted because of you should understand it. So how to arrange it, how to write in order, so we will see it. Look at here, how the alphabetical order, ABC's order, it means first it will come A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, like that way. letters it will come. This order, alphabetical order is this. Now here is we will search, is there any word start from letter A? Search it. This is A. No, 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 here, no. It means nobody, no, any one word here is not start with the A. Did you understand? So we will check the next letter B. Is there any word start from B? No. C, no. D, no. E, is there E? No. F, look at here, this word is start from which letter? This word is started from letter F. Which word that is? Freni. So we will write this word first, Freni. Did you understand, students? So we will write that word first, Freni. Then after F, which letter it will come? After F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N. Look at here. So now we know the word from the F. We have got it, that word. Now we will check, is there any word that start from letter G? No, here is any word. Then H, is there any word is start from H letter? Yes, here is a given one word. Look at here, student. Here is a given one word that is start from letter H, that is Harpreet. So we will write next that word Harpreet. Look at here, students. We have written here the word Harpreet. Now we will check the next. Now these two words completed. Look at here next. I. Is there any word start from letter I? Check on this. 1, 2, 3, 4. In this 4 word. No. Then J. Yes. This is start from letter J. Look at this word. This is start from letter J. So we will write here this word Jane. It means these also completed. Now we will search. Is there any letter? Is there any word? Is there any word that start from letter K? No. L? No. M? No. N? Yes. From N? Here is one word that is start from letter N. What is that? Nita. So we will write the next word Nita here. Look at here. We will write the next word Nita. This is also complete. Now 2 words left, Priya and Salma. So in alphabetical order, which letter comes first, P or S? M, N, O, P, Q, R, S. First which letter it will come? P. So we will write word that start from letter P, that is Priya. And after that we will write word that start from letter S, that is a Salma. Did you understand, students? This is called a alphabetical orders. First word is, it will come Freni, Harpreet, Jane, Nita, Priya and Salma. These series or this order is called the alphabetical order. Did you understand, student? We have written here all words in the ABC's order. That's called the alphabetical order. Now what given here downside we will see. If you are given 2 or more words beginning with the same letter. Look at here. If you are given 2 or more words that beginning with the same letter. Look at here. Here in example, if you saw this example, then you easily understand here. Look at here. Here is given all words that start with the same letter. Now here is upside, we have seen that. Is there any word that start from same letter here? No. Every word is start from a different letter. But here is downside. Every word is start from the same letter. That time what we have to do? This is an important rule. Please pay attention. Then you must look at the second letters. Look at here. Then what we have to check? We have to check the second letters of the words and then arrange the words alphabetical order like this. Then what we have to do? Then we have to arrange the word in a alphabetical order. It means First you have to check the second letter. If every word is start with the same letter, then what we have to do, you have to check the second letter. मुलांनो, जर दिलेल्या वर्ड्समध्ये प्रत्येक वर्ड हा सेम लेटरने स्टार्ट होत असेल, म्हणजे इथे बघा प्रत्येक वर्ड हा कोणत्या लेटरने स्टार्ट होतोय, एस लेटरने स्टार्ट होतोय. जर अशा सेम लेटरने जर स्टार्ट होत असेल तर तेव्हा आपण सुरुवातीला कोणता वर्ड घ्यायचा यामध्ये कन्फ्यूज व्हायचं नाही. आपण काय करायचं, फर्स्ट लेटर जर सेम असेल तर लगेच कोणतं लेटर चेक करायचं, सेकंड लेटर चेक करायचं. इथे काय दिलेलं आहे, इथे प्रत्येक लेटर हे डिफरंट लेटर आहे, त्यामुळे आपण त्याच्या अल्फाबेटिकल ऑर्डरप्रमाणे मांडणी केलेली आहे. परंतु इथे प्रत्येक शब्द हा कसा आहे, सारख्या एका सेम लेटरने सुरू झालेला आहे. अशा वेळेस आपण काय करायला पाहिजे, अशा वेळेस आपण येणारे दुसरं लेटर जे आहे ते दुसरं लेटर चेक करायचं आहे आणि दुसऱ्या लेटरचा क्रम लावायचा आहे. समजते मुलांनो, दुसऱ्या लेटरची ऑर्डर आपण काय करायची आहे, राईट करायचे आहे. फर्स्ट लेटरचा विचार करायचा नाही, कारण फर्स्ट लेटर सगळीकडे काय आहे, सगळीकडे फर्स्ट लेटर सेम आहे. Did you understand, students? So we will solve this example. Here is a given one solved example. We will understand it. First example, look at here words: Sunil, Sham, Soham, Salim, Stani. It means all words that start from letter S. It's not difficult. Now what we are going to do, we are going to check the second letter. Which is second letter given here? Look at here. Here is shown the second letter in a red color. So you will easily understand. In the word Sunil, here is U. In the word Sham, here is H. In the word Soham, here is O. In the word Salim, here is a letter A. In a Stani, here is a letter T. So now we are going to check this letter in a alphabetical order. First, do you know which letter it will come? A, B, C, D. So check it. Is there in any words second letter is A? Yes, in this word, look at here. In this word, here is A. After yes, second letter is A. So this word we will write first Salim. Now we will check the second letter. Is there any B? No. C? C also no. D? D also no. H? H also. Yes, H is given here. Look at here, students. Second letter is H given here. So second word which it will come? Sham. So write here Sham in the second number. Now after H, I, J, K, L. Look at here, we will see the remaining three words. This Sunil, Soham and Stani. L, M, N, O. O is there? Yes, in Soham O is there. So we will take this word and write here Soham. Did you understand? Now which two words remaining? Stani and Sunil. So in the alphabetical order, which letter come first? T or U? P, Q, R. P, Q, R, S, T, U. Which come first? T. So which word we will take first? We will take first Stani, and after that Sunil. What you will take? That is the word Sunil, it will come. Did you understand, students? If we didn't understand how to take the word, if every word is start from the same letter, that time what we will do? We will check the second letter. What we will do? We will check the second letter and then we will arrange the order. Did you understand, student? This is how the words are arranged in a dictionary or a telephone directly. Look at here, like these words. The words start from the same letter. These words are arranged in a dictionary. Look at here, like these words are arranged in a dictionary or a telephone directly. You can see in the dictionary also. Did you understand, student? This is called alphabetical order. So now we will solve the exercise of the given lesson. Look at here. These animals have to enter the zoo in alphabetical order. Help them to do so by writing their names correctly in an alphabetical order. Look at here, children. Here given the, what is given here? Here is a given the name of animals. What is given? Name of animals, and that animals have to go in a zoo, enter in the zoo. But how they have to enter? They have to enter in a alphabetical order. So we have to help them to writing their names correctly in the alphabetical order. So look at here, students. Here is a given 20 animals name. How many names is given here? 20 animals name is given here. So we have to arrange it with a alphabetical order. First word they have written already here. Look at here, that is bear. After that B, which letter it will come, student? C letter it will come. So we will search here. Is there any word, animal name that is start from letter C? Before that we will read all the animals name. Okay. First is giraffe. Second is zebra, elephant, tiger, lion, cheetah, jackal, hyena, leopard, monkey, fox, bear, wolf, python, cobra, rhinoceros, hippopotamus, deer, gorilla, and kangaroo. Look at here. These all 20 animals name is given here. In now we have to here we have to arrange these all animals name in a alphabetical order. So first word they have written already, that is which word? That is the bear. Okay, student. So this is start from which letter? This is start from letter B. Now we will write the next word, that is start from letter C. Then which animal name it will come? So search, student. Is there any name that start from letter C? Look at here. Here, no, here, no, here. This is, look at, this is a start from letter C. Again search it. Is there any start from C? Look at here. Here is cobra and here is a cheetah, that is start from letter C. Now we will search here also. Here is no. We got only two words that is from start from letter C. But students, we will check the second letter. Now we will check the second letter. Here is which letter? Here is O, here is H. In alphabetical order, which letter come first, H or O? Look at, we will check it. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O. First what it will come? H, and after that O it will come. So first which word we will take? We have to take first cheetah, and second word we will take a cobra. So first we will write here cheetah, CHEETAH, cheetah. Look at here, right there. And third is cobra, COBRA, cobra. Did you understand, students? You have to write like this way now. So we will do square here because these two were completed. Now fourth number after C, which letter it will come? After C, letter D it will come. Is there any word that start from letter D? Search it. Is there any word start from? This is G, Z, E, T, L, J, H, L, M, F, W, P, R, H. Look at here. This is start from D, G, K. No, only one word is there that is start from D, that is deer. So we will write here without thinking. This is right, D-E-E-R, deer. What it will come, students? Deer. After that we will see the next. Which letter it will come? E. From E we will see the how many words are here. Is there start from letter E? E? No. This is elephant. One word we got. No. Lion. No. Jackal. No. Hyena. Is there any start word from letter E? 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 No. Only one word is here. That is a elephant. Which word that is? Elephant. So we will write. Which word we will write? Elephant. So write here E L E P H A N T, elephant. What we will write? E L E P H A N T, elephant. Did you understand? Now we will see the next word. That is start from letter F. We will search it. This is start from G, Z, T, L, J, H, L, M, F. Look at here. We got one word. W, P, K, G, H, R. No, only one word we got. That is a fox. What we got? Fox. So 6 number. What we will write? Fox. F-O-X. Fox. Now after F, which letter it will come? G. Is there any word start from G? O. First is we got giraffe. Check it. After that T, L, J, H, L, M, W, P, R, H, G. Gorilla. We got 2 words. One word is giraffe. Second is gorilla. Now both start from letter G. Now we will check the second letter. What is here second letter? Here is O. Here is I. So in alphabetical order, which letter come first? I or O? A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I. Which letter it will come first? I. J, K, L, M, N, O. After that long O letter it will come. So first which word we have to write here? Giraffe. And second gorilla. Okay. So first we will write here giraffe. G, I, R, A, double F, E, giraffe. And second one gorilla. G, O, R, I, double L, A, gorilla. Did you understand, student? So after G, which letter it will come? H. From H we will see here how many words. Here is zebra, tiger, lion. No. J. Look at here, hyena. This is start from letter H. L, M, W, P, R. And here is big word, that is hippopotamus. It is also start from letter H. Okay. 2 words are there. One is hyena. Second one is hippopotamus. Okay, students. So we will check the second letter. Both are start from letter H. Now we will check the second letter. Here is I and here is Y. So what it will come first? I it will come first. Okay. That is hippopotamus. So student, first word we have to write hippopotamus. H I double P O P O T U M S M U S. So you should complete the spelling. H I double P O H I double P O P O T A M U S, hippopotamus. And 10th number you should write hyena. H Y E N A, hyena. So we will do bracket of, we got these 2 words, hippopotamus and hyena. That is from H. Okay. After that H after which letter it will come? H after I. Is there any word start from letter I? No. I after J. Is there any word that start from letter J? Yes, here is jackal. Again check it. No. one word is there, so we will write that word. What is that? Jackal. So do bracket there. J-A-C-A-L. Jackal. So write on the 11th number jackal. After J, which letter it will come? K. We will search it. Is there name start from letter K? Here is zebra, tiger, lion, leopard, monkey, wolf, python, rhinoceros and kangaroo. Those are remaining, only check that. Okay, here is kangaroo, that is a start from letter K, so this is only one word, so we will write here on the 12th number, that is a kangaroo. What is the spelling of kangaroo? Kangaroo. Kangaroo. You should complete the spelling, you should write the spelling of kangaroo on the 12th number. Did you understand, students? So please pay attention and write properly. First word bear, it will come. Second cheetah. Third cobra. Fourth number deer. Fifth number elephant. Sixth number fox. Seventh number giraffe. Eighth number gorilla. 9 number hippopotamus. 10 number hyena. 11th number jackal. And 12th number, which it will come? Kangaroo it will come. Did you understand? Now we will see the next. After K, J-K-L. Is there any word start from letter L? Yes, here is Z-T, here is L, lion, and here is leopard. So we will check the second letter. Here is I, here is E. What it will come first? E, letter E or I? Check here. Here is E and after that here is I. So which letter it will come first? E. So which word we have to take first? Leopard. Leopard we have to take first. So here write L-E-O-P-A-R-D. Leopard. Now next we will write lion. What we will write? Lion. So write here L-I-O-N. Lion. Now we will check the next. L after what it will come? M. Is there any word start from M? Here is zebra remaining, tiger remaining, monkey. What remaining? Monkey, wolf, python and rhinoceros. Only 4 words are remaining. Okay, students. So what it will come? Monkey it will come here. So we will write after leopard, lion. 15th number, what we will write? Monkey. So write there M-O-N-K-E-Y. Monkey. 15th number. Did you complete? So we will see after M, which letter it will come? N. Is there any word that start from letter N? No. After that P, which letter it will come? P. From the P, which word that is start from letter P? That is here is one word is there. What is that? Python. What is that? Python. So we will write here P-Y-T-H-O-N. Python. Okay, students. So we will see the next. After P, which letter it will come? M-N-O-P. O after P it will come? P-M-N-O-P-Q. What it will come? Q. Is there any word that start from Q? No. After that R. Q-R. Is there any word start from R? Yes, look at here. Here is a rhinoceros. What is given there, students? Rhinoceros. This word is given there. That is a start from letter R. So we have to write that word. That is only single word. Is there any word that is start from letter R? No, there is not any word that start from letter R. So we will take this word rhinoceros. What is the spelling of rhinoceros? R-H-I-N-O-C-E-R-O-S. Do complete this spelling. R-H-I-N-O-C-E-R-O-S. Rhinoceros. Okay, student. After R, what letter it will come? L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S. Is there any word start from letter S? How many words remaining? Look at here. Zebra, tiger and wolf. 3 words remaining only. Now S after T. T for tiger. So what we will take here? Tiger. So write next word 18th number. What we have to write, student? 18th number, write tiger. 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 So after T, U V W. After that W, look at here, that word start from W, that is wolf. So we will write wolf. And last word it will come, what it will come? It will come zebra. Zebra. It means every word should complete. Did you understand, student? So we will revise it. Look at here. First word it will come bear. Second, look at here, student. We will see. First word it will come bear. Second cheetah. Third cobra. Fourth deer. Fifth number elephant. Sixth number fox. Seventh number giraffe. Eighth number gorilla. 9 number hippopotamus. 10 number hyena. 11th number jackal. 12th number kangaroo. 13th number leopard. 14th number lion. 15th number monkey. 16th number python. 17th number rhinoceros. 18th number tiger. 19th number wolf and 20th number zebra. Did you understand, student? Like that way you should have write alphabetical order of the animals name. You have written here. Did you understand? Like this way you should complete in your textbook. So this is all for today, students. We have seen the alphabetical orders of the name of animals. You should understand this. If you didn't understand, watch this video again and again and you understand this. This is all for today. We will meet in the next video with the new topics. Till that time, stay healthy, stay happy and keep study. Thank you.